Okay, we're back to jumping. Oh no! Rory! Stand back up. Are you down too? Oh my goodness, you girls need to be careful. Okay, let's say it together. Two little monkeys jumping on the... Oh, there goes one monkey. Here's another one. Two little monkeys jumping... Oh no! Alright, let's try it again. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "What are you guys doing jumping on that bed? Don't you know better? Go over there." Okay. Alright. Who's jumping? Oh no! Roy's going off! Emma's going off! Okay, here we go again. Let's be careful. No injuries. Oh no! Oh no! There goes the other one. Okay. Oh! Oh no! Okay. Camden, are you going to join in this fun?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jump, jump. Well, jump, jump. Oh no! You guys are probably tired. Oh, head first, Emma? Really? Whoa, careful, Rory, back on. I don't want you to fall off again. Uh-oh, here comes Rory. Oh no! Here comes Rory! Oh no! Oh, here they go. Alright. Okay, two monkeys. Can you wave goodbye to the camera? I'm going to put the camera up. Can you say goodbye, little monkeys? No one's saying goodbye, little monkeys. No one's saying goodbye, little monkeys. Unless you say goodbye, I can't say, oh, hello, careful. Alright, okay. Alright, last jump on the couch. Then I'm turning this one off and you guys can keep jumping. Okay, Rory, make it a good one. Don't hurt yourself. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, no! Careful! Woo! Oh! You okay? All right, all done.